most people think meme coins are just jokes until one random trader turned $200 into $20,000 overnight. It sounds crazy, right? But here is the truth. Trading meme coins right away can change your financial story. But before you roll your eyes, hear me out. I have taken my time to study some of the successful meme coin traders. It took me time, but I carefully studied them on how they managed to make life-changing profits. And today, I'll walk you through this on how to trade meme coins safely with step-by-step guide. If you are very new to my YouTube channel, make sure you give me a like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because a turnaround for good is about to happen. Before we go further, let me give you this disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only, not financial advice. So always do your own research and trade only with the money you can afford to lose. Let's be honest, 90% of people who trade meme coins lose their money. You ask me why? It's because they open a random chart, click buy button and pray for magic. You've probably seen screenshots of huge profits online, but what you don't see are the hundreds of who lose it all because they don't understand the rule of this game. Have you ever bought a meme coin and watched your portfolio crash within an hour? This video is your turning point. Here is how real meme coin traders think differently. They don't trade luck, they trade logic, and everything starts with one word, which is research. So we have two different types of meme coin traders. Number one, we call them gamblers. I repeat, we call them gamblers. These people, they buy anything that is trending, just anything that is trending, they buy it. Number two are the smart ones. This category of people, they research before entering any trade. And trust me, you want to be in the second group. I know for real, some people will disagree with this, but meme coin trade isn't just gambling. It is research, timing, and psychology combined. So let's go practical. Here is your full guide on how to trade meme coins as a beginner. The first one is you can use your PC, whereby you open your Chrome browser and install Phantom wallet extension. Then sign up, back up your secret phrase, and fund your wallet with a small amount of Solana, right? But the most affordable, simplest way of getting it is using your mobile phone. Just go to your Google Play and install Phantom wallet. So I have already installed it. So I will click on open. I have an account with them already on this phone. So you may not able to get here directly. It's a very simple thing to do, but make sure you back up your secret phrase. You can copy it and keep it somewhere and never give anybody your secret phrase. It is your private key. And without your private keys safely stored, you are one hack away from losing everything. So if you have account before with Phantom, you can create more accounts. Yes, you can run multiple accounts. That is if you want to protect your fund like you are just a beginner. Just like my own now. Look at it, this is account 1, account 2. I can still click on add accounts to add more accounts. So I'll be using the new one here now to guide you. So what you will do now is click on this search icon. Then tap on this search bar. Type Axiom. Now click on search from your keyboard. Good. Then tap on this first one here. Click on this sign up. Automatically it connected my account. But if you are doing this for the very first time, I wanted to show you this. That's why I click on sign up. I should click on login so as to connect. But because I've done this before now, so it connected automatically. If you have not done that before, as I click on sign up, it will give you option to create accounts using your email, password, or to sign up using Phantom wallet. So I am using Phantom directly to connect with this, just to sign up automatically. I hope you grab. So this is the homepage interface. So this is our trading platform. So now from here you can use trusted trackers like dexscreener or AUM. Now we are seeing live charts, trendy pairs, and pump trackers. But I will warn you, don't chase every coin. Don't forget, you want to be a smart one trading meme coin. All right, what we have to do now is to filter the trade smartly, filter the noise. How are we going to do that? Because as you are seeing this like this, there are many of them that they are hit and run. Once you put your money is there like this, within few hours, you will just watch your money going. But to prevent this, we need to filter the noise. So this is how we will do it. Click on filter. Good. Now scroll down. Good. So what we want to do now is to set our market cap filter to at least $10,000 in order to avoid dead projects. Let me show you. Click on these metrics. Great. Now you can see this is market cap. We have minimum and maximum. So this minimum here is where we are going to put $10,000 in order to do what? To avoid dead projects. So I tap on it now and put $10,000. Then I click on apply all. Oh, great. So it has helped us to filter the noise out. Those are hit and run. So this simple filter now help us to avoid 90% of scam or copy paste coins. So the next thing to do now is to only focus on coins that already have trading volume and are listed on reliable pairs. The next thing to do now is to fund our accounts. After funding our accounts, now we want to go and do what? To research like a pro. So let's go and fund our accounts. I want to show you how to do that. Click on accounts. Click on this icon. Click on deposits. Now I have my deposit address. You know what to do? You have to copy this address. Either you click on this to copy address or you click here to copy address. Another method is this. This is where I want to send money to. Then I need to tell you, is Solana we are sending. Here it is Solana you will send to this address, which means I want to send from this phone. I want to send money here. Let's assume I want to send money from this phone to this phone. So which means I will send Solana from here to here. But let's assume the same phone is where I have my exchange where I will send money to. Then I don't have choice than to copy the address. But alternatively is this QR code you are seeing here. This QR code. I can easily scan from here. Then it will capture the wallet address. Then I will send my Solana. I don't know, maybe I should do it for you guys to see. Okay, let me quickly demonstrate it for you. Let's assume you are using the same phone to do every transaction. So what you do now is copy. So I have copied. You see? Oh, sorry. So I copy now. Good. Address copied to clipboard. So I've copied the wallet address. What I want to do now is to send Solana. Don't send any other coin. It's only Solana. So I want to go to my other exchanges now to send it. Assuming you don't have Solana already, you have USDT. And let's assume you don't know how to get USDT. You are very new to something like this. Check the pin comment. You see video on how to sign up for either Binance, Bybit, or any exchanges. How to buy crypto. Everything is there. How to send. All this thing I'm doing, I have a special video on that, but let me quickly rush it. So you have USDT, but you don't have Solana. How will you do that? Click on this trade. Change this trading pair to Solana, right? So click on this search bar. Then even as I put it there, I've seen Solana USDT here. But let me type SOL. That is the abbreviation for Solana. SOL. So let's look through the trading pair given us here now and look for Solana USDT. That is SOL USDT. Mind you, it's USDT, not USDC. So look at it. This first one here. So I will tap on it. Which means I have USDT. I want to buy Solana because I want to send it to where we trade Memecoin. So this is already in buy. Then I'll put amount of USDT I want to invest for this. I can put, let's say 50, where I just want to use this to train you. So I'll put just 20 here. And this one, I will change this to market because I just want to buy and go. Then this one now to 20 USDT. So I click on buy, confirm. So I have my Solana now. Now let's go and send it to the address. Click on assets, click on send, then select this one, on-chain withdraw. Now click on Solana SOL. Now you remember I have copied the wallet address I want to use to receive it, right? Already. Let's assume the second phone I was showing you, I want to send from here to here. That is when you will click on this icon. If you click on this icon, it will bring out your camera like it want to scan the QR code from the other phone just to get the wallet address to receive the money. But now, since it's just copy and paste, we are using the same phone, so I will just paste it here. Good. So network is Solana. Automat is okay like that. Solana, I'll put everything, maximum, everything with there. So here now, I click on withdraw, then I click on confirm, authenticator app. So the code, I paste it, withdraw processing. So I'll be waiting within few minutes to receive it. So I got notification that the money have been sent successfully from Binance. So let me go and check. I click on account, click on this icon, then I see the money. The money sent was $20. So I use out of it because this is cut and join, so as to wait for when the money will be successfully received. So out of the money, I've already bought a coin. So it remains $15.7. And look at the value of Solana, 0.08 0.83. So let's go and buy a coin. Click on back. Assuming I want to buy this one, you can click on it. Just tap anywhere around here. That is assuming you have examined very well that you want to buy this one. So click it. Then I must warn you, don't put all your money there. Assuming you have 100 USD there, you can be trading for each coin. Let me say like $10, maximum $10. Don't put all your money there. You know, Memecoin trading is very, very risky. So assuming I want to buy this one now, I will put, let me test it with this 0.01. So I will click on this 0.01. Transaction confirmed. It has been bought. So let's go back. I will click on this account, or no, that is another option. You can click in and click on these tables. Yes. So the table will show you those coins you have bought. You are seeing them now. So these are the coins I bought with $20 I got. So you have to monitor them. But let's assume you want to sell the coin now. So I click on it, or you can come this place, click on this account. So from here, look at it. Look at the coins I have bought. So you can monitor them from here. Let me slide to this. Seen it, slide this one. So then click on activity. So from here now, you will see the value of amount you used to buy those tokens. So I can revisit it simply by clicking either this or this one. So let me click on the first one here. Then I will select sell, not buy, sell. You have to check when it is profitable for you. Then you can decide to tap on either 100%, 50%, 25%, or 10% of the token you have. Then this will help you sell it. So let me click on 100. Go to account. So it has been sold. You see now? It has been sold. So it remains this one. Now let me click on this to check the account. So it remains 12.2 because I did not wait. I just want to show you how it was without wasting time. So this is loss because I did it very fast. I did not even take time to do my research, you know, to wait when the thing is profitable and sell. I don't want to waste time. So I hope you grab. And if you want to withdraw your coin, so simple. Just from here now, tap on withdraw. Then you will go and copy Solana address from the exchange you want to send it to. Then you will paste it in this place. You see address of destination wallet. So you paste it here. Then put either maximum, put maximum there. Then you send it. That's all. So I want to use the remaining money after cutting this video to trade by myself confidently. Let's talk about how to research like a pro. So before you buy any coin, there are 4 things you need to check very well. Number 1 is legitimacy. Is it a copycat project or an original idea? Number 2, you have to check the narrative. Is there current news, hype, or trend connected to it? Maybe something like political memes, world events, and so on. How will you know? Okay, let me click one of it. For instance, this first one here now, click it. On Telegram, I think there are some Telegram bots you can actually use to analyze this thing, to be sure about the coin. Yes, I don't remember. If you remember, please drop it for me in the comment section. We are helping each other. Please, it has skipped my mind. What you do now is just come here, click on this to copy the contract address. So you see now, I have copied it. That is contract address. There are many tools like that. You copy this, paste it there. They will analyze it and tell you information about it if it is good to go ahead to buy or step back. Another one is community. That is the third one, community. You can check their Twitter, Telegram, or Discord just to know if they are community. Don't forget, a coin with no community is a dead coin. Do you understand? How will you get all those things? Just tap on it. It's taking us to Twitter. So from their community, you will examine, check how they post. Is it every day they post? Do they have engagement on their post? If it's Telegram, their name, the name of the coin, search for it to understand better. The first one is price action. Is there consistent volume and healthy chart movement? You have to check. From here now, click on this transaction. We want to know how people are buying, how people are selling. Within seconds, are people really buying it? Or maybe people are selling. If people are selling, will you buy? But if people are buying it, you know that it's a good project, buy. So green color means people are buying. The red one means people are selling. So buy, sell, buy, sell. How far with it? So you have to study through within few seconds. If a coin tick all 4 boxes I have mentioned for you, then and only then it was considering. So the next one is choosing your trading style. There are 2 main ways to trade meme coins. Number 1 is scalping. Yes, we call it scalping. This means buy and sell quickly for small profits, maybe within seconds or minutes. The second one is what we call momentum trading. I repeat, momentum trading. This one means you buy early on coin gaining traction and hold hold longer for big runs. So both first and second one actually work, but it is you that must know your personality. Some people cannot handle fast trades. Yes, they cannot handle it. And others can't wait weeks. So pick your lane. Which one do you want to do? Which one do you want to specialize on? Well, this might sound wrong at first, but as for me, holding is not safe. Holding is not always safe. I believe make small profit within short period of time, very fast. Make your profit, then put it again, run it again, make your profit, sell, make small profits. Don't hold for long. It's very risky. That's my own opinion. Not so. Some people may disagree with that, because sometimes the smartest traders are the one who says early and move on. Now let's talk mindsets. The difference between pros and amateurs. Number one, trade emotionless. I repeat, trade emotionless. If you lose, you move on. Number two, avoid FOMO. Missing one trade does not mean you miss your chance at success. Number three, be patient. Be patient but not greedy. Don't overstay in a winning trade. Number four, no revenge trading. Losing today does not mean you must win it back tomorrow. No, it doesn't work that way. Memecoins can make you rich fast and also broke even faster. The goal is survival, not luck at all. Now let me give you this bonus tip before I round it all. I want to give you a secret almost no one shares. Journal your trades. Write down every decision. Why you bought, why you sold, what worked, what didn't. These simple habits will save you from repeating mistakes and build your experience faster than any paid course. Well, some people may say journaling is a waste of time, but they are usually the one who can't explain why they lost money last week. So now, I believe you know how to trade Memecoin. If you really got value from this video, please, what you can do to compensate my effort is to give me a like on this video first. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel before, make sure you do now. You have comments, drop it for me. You have an opinion to this, or you want to appreciate me, drop it for me in the comment section. Ask questions. I will respond to that as soon as possible. You want to connect with me? Check the pinned comment. You see link to connect with me. You want to enroll for my course, either for crypto trading? Don't worry, connect with me through the pinned comment. I'll be happy to see you in my class. So guys, I love you. Then see you in my next videos.